This is clean. Is it open?
Maybe.
Yeah, it is. Oh my goodness. My amp stopped working. There is no light on. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who and I am. Back, baby, with another video, man. So today I'm headed to the dealership to go look at the bike that I actually put a deposit down on. And I'm gonna show y'all once I get there what it is. The deposit was just a whole deposit, wasn't a purchase. The bike, because there were some things I saw in it that I didn't like and I wanted them to fix it. One was being turn signals. The previous owner took the turn signals off. And you don't have to have them in the state of Texas. In my last bike, I did not have turn signals. Texas is getting so crowded with traffic nowadays, man. I want turn signals on my bike. And two, the left bar end where the cruise control function was broken. So that was in there. So he's like, I'm gonna get the bike cleaned up because they had just got it. Come by, take a look. I'll hold it for you with the $250 deposit. If you want to buy it, then we'll order the part for you and fix it. I'm like, you got to fix it anyway. You're not gonna sell that bike without it. So we on a disagreement on that, but you know what it is, what it is. So I'm headed over right now. This will basically get a final look over of the bike before I decide if I want to buy it or not. Because now it's going through service and everything. When I saw it the first time, it hadn't gone through service or nothing. So head over there, look at it. Final walk around, try to do a video, take some pictures. Send it to my man Jack. Be quick. Send him a few pictures. He been cool about it. He like, hey man, you know, I sent him some pictures and he looked at the picture they posted online and he told me a lot of stuff about just looking at it. So appreciate you, man, if you're watching this video. Really helps out a lot. He has a lot of experience with BMWs. He has 3, I think now 2. I think he sold 1. Y'all go check him out. I'll put his Instagram down there for y'all. But first I need to reinstall my tune because as you guys know, I just got a tune up, so I had to take the tune off. And by the way, guys, the tune-up has my truck running way better, way smoother. The ships are way smoother. It just is, yeah, huge difference with the tune-up.
Thank the holy trio.
Give you guys a cold start real quick. I gotta go all the way around so y'all can see what it sounds like. I want to be super late. I was supposed to be there at 4:30. It is 4:20 and I'm about 20 minutes away. Come on, Red. Purr, baby, spur. She's been sitting for about 2 or 3 days now. You know, I haven't really been out that much in it. Go ahead and get going, man. And get over here. All right, guys, so I just got here to the dealership and on the way over here, amp stopped working. It's not getting power for some reason. Let's see. Yep, nope. There's no power getting to it. Not sure what happened there. It is pretty hot, so. Anyway, I'm gonna worry about that later. Go inside, see what's going on.
I don't glow, I beam. My price just went way up, but I'm free.
Elbow bump over here, I got you. You doing all right?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty good.
Good. I ain't gonna miss you. All right. So what we got? All right. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I like that.
And they're neat, tucked away, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I got the ones in the front.
Yep. Let's see. Okay. Got you. All right. And then I see you did the go ahead. And the frame sliders, right?
Yep.
Decent. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's get, I was gonna say, well, we can't even start up. We're inside. We push it outside. You sure?
Oh yeah, and I'll open it.
Yeah. I don't wanna blow everybody's ears out. I don't wanna blow people's ears out. You know. You wanna push it outside or not? Yeah. Okay. Man, who Hellcat is this? This is for sale? Huh? Oh, it's y'all for sale?
That's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
My girl hot like Cheetos. Jeans straight from Puerto Rico. Ay, a homeboy just be the chemo, and Jesus still be the hero.
I love that sound. That's still on there. It looks pretty clean, man. It is pretty clean.
Living in the hood, living in fear on this street. God give me everything I need. No more scraps, I'm about to get the sweet. Real ones always show themselves.
I want to buy one used, but the price, man, I can't afford that crap. But this thing is gorgeous. How much y'all selling it for?
I have no idea, dude.
I mean, it's free. Is it open?
Maybe?
Yeah, it is. Oh my goodness. Love this dang car. Hellcat. All right, guys, so, yep. This is it. I'm gonna buy it. We taking this baby home. This is a clean bike, man. I was worried, but they cleaned it up and it looks good. I don't think too much has been done for it as far as aftermarket. It was pretty stock for the most part, to be honest with you. So, which is why I liked it too. It doesn't have a lot done to it. Yeah, it doesn't have much done to it at all. It's just kind of almost stock, man, which is perfect. I don't really have to deal too much with, you know, any aftermarket stuff somebody has done that you're not aware of. It kind of sometimes makes it more complicated to own it. But this thing is almost spotless too. There's like no scratches, no anything on it, man. Nothing. Has the, according to my man Jack B. Quick, has the premium wheels. And he said, how do you know that? He said it has 7 spokes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spokes. He said premium wheels. The other one has 10. There's a Dunlap 4 on the back and 3 on the front. He said they was out of 4s on the front. But anyway, yeah, this baby coming home with me. I'm excited now. I didn't want to like it, but I like it. This Hellcat though, y'all. What y'all think? Woo.
Tony Hawk on the grind, I'ma still grind. Hey, I ain't even.
Let me go in here and finish up what we gotta do. Yep, that's it. I bought it. Well, I ain't gonna say I bought it yet. So I basically told him I agreed to it. Look at this Jeep. Gosh, this is gorgeous. I love that. Like, it's like that rhino lining paint type thing. And they also have a Shelby F-150 up here, guys. I'm telling you, this shop usually has everything, man. Like, everything you want that's not normal custom car. We'll have a bike on the channel, man. So I hope y'all like it. Put the poll out there. A Mustang, a Hellcat. But that honestly, gonna be real with y'all, I just could not afford that right now. It just wouldn't have been financially smart to do that. This I can afford. Hopefully, I mean, I ain't gonna say hopefully, but I did the numbers myself, kind of, sort of. So I think I got a good idea of what it's gonna be. Hopefully y'all keep watching the videos, man. I'm not gonna go strictly to a motorcycle channel. Of course, Red gonna still be on the channel. Oh, hold up. I'm with no doors on the roof. No doors on the Jeep, baby. So that was Kevin, the guy who just installed it. He said he thinks it's a fuse. He told me when he installed it, like, if it stops any power, that's the first thing I'm thinking is the fuse. So he probably think it's the fuse. So he said he might be able to bring me over today, actually, and get it done. If it's just a fuse. I think the motorcycle stuff will be fun. To be honest with y'all, man, I'm a little scared. Not to ride it, just everything about it, like owning it again. Like, I gotta get a helmet, I gotta get gloves, I gotta get shoes, I gotta get pants. Like, it's just a lot to go into owning a motorcycle, man. So we got a BMW on the channel, guys. A BMW, man. That is big time. This is a bad bike. This bike goes 206 miles an hour top speed. So just saying. Look at that. That's tight. A Jeep with no doors. I actually rode in a Jeep with no doors. It's actually pretty weird feeling to be riding with no doors. What's up, guys? It's your boy Q, man. Thank y'all for watching that whole video. And if you did watch this whole video, which you probably did if you to this point, because at the very end, I got a nice little giveaway, man. So I'm actually going to give away a set of these LED license plate bulbs, man. It's the one I currently run on my truck. No sponsor, nothing like that. It's just I had 2, and I'm going to give one away to one of you all. I'm going to also link these down here if you're interested. The only thing you got to do is be the first person to comment below LED. Just comment LED below. Everybody can see who the first person to comment is. Make it nice and easy. And I'll go ahead, once you be the first person to comment, I'll reply to you, letting you know what you need to do. I can get your information and all that. They look super good. I got them on my truck. I love them. Hope y'all keep watching. Y'all keep watching, man. The channel keep growing. I'm going to get a car. Like, it's going to be a car one day on the channel. Just a matter of when and what. But I'll catch y'all next time. Bless day, baby. Peace.
I'm about to live my dream. I don't glow, I beam. My price just went way up, but I'm free. My price just went way up, yeah, but I'm free. My girl hot like Cheetos, jeans straight from Puerto Rico. Ay, a homeboy just be the chemo, and Jesus still be the hero. Yeah, scheme, but I keep it on the D-low. My city feel like Primos. Every day feel like opening day, and I used to feel like B-roll. Everything planned, but it ain't mine. Tony Hawk on the grind, I'ma still grind. Ay, I ain't even in my prime. Get better with age like fine wine. Ay, I'm so glad I'm about to get paid. Devil so mad that I found my way. Put my life behind these bars. I ain't locked up, but I think I'm gon' stay. I'm about to change my family tree. Can't nobody tell me.